Sometime back, my friends, a viewer sent me this product here, and recently I've begun testing it out. And folks, this is pretty cool. I think you're gonna like it. This is a multi-piece cutlery kit that's not only lightweight, it's also inexpensive, and at the same time, it's very well designed. It's smartly designed. The company that made this product is HumanGear, and this is the GoBites Trio Kit. As you can see here, we have the storage case. Check that out. On the inside here, spoon, spork, knife, toothpick. This is, without a doubt, an awesome system, and I think you're going to be impressed by it. With that being said, my name is Luke. This is the TOGR Review. Everyone, let's take a look at this together now. On the table here, you can see that I have two GoBite kits, one in red, one in blue. I will come back to this blue set in just a minute. There's a story behind this. Focusing on this kit here, if you decide to purchase this, again, you receive this case. There's a latch on the side, and it opens up just like this. Here we have the spoon. Here we have the spork. Here we have the knife. And here we have the toothpick. Looking closely at the spoon here, it is what you would expect. You have the handle, you have the bowl, and that's about it. The spork is pretty much the same way. You have the handle, the bowl, and the fork prongs. When it comes to the knife, you have the handle, the serrated edge here, and you also have a bottle opener. And here we have the toothpick, with one side being pointy. And we might as well focus on the case too. You can see that each component has a locking location for it to go into. And I must say, these locking locations work well. Once you have your item, the utensil in place, it does not move. They don't move, and they don't fall out either. Those are the components that make up the Trio kit. As far as versions go, there's actually two of them, the Trio and the Quattro. The Quattro kit includes some chopsticks and is just slightly more expensive. I've been doing YouTube for roughly 11, 12 years, something like that. And over the course of all of those years, I've only lost two things. One is actually misplaced, and it's a face mask. It's inside of a backpack or a sleeping bag or something like that. The other is the blue spoon from this kit. Recently, I went out on a trip, I used it. I'm pretty sure when I got home, I threw it in the trash, unfortunately. Over the course of 12 years or so, only losing two objects, that's not bad. Not bad at all. When it comes to the blue spoon, as I mentioned, I believe I threw it away because I lost it. I reached out to the company and I asked them, is there a way that I can purchase a replacement spoon? I was told, unfortunately, they do not make replacement spoons, so you cannot purchase one. But they did happen to have a gray spoon laying around that they could send me, and they did. I offered to pay them for it, and they declined, and I really do appreciate it. I should mention that I actually reached out to them with my wife's email account, so they have no idea that this is the Outdoor Gear Review or anything like that. To the company, I was nothing more than just a customer, and I must say, their customer service was excellent. I should mention that the blue kit is what a viewer sent me, and I really do appreciate it. So I'm sure you're wondering, why do I have the red kit? It's because this kit here is so good, I went ahead and I purchased another. This is for my backpacking kit, and this is for my overland kit. When it comes to the weight of these kits, you're looking at 3.2 ounces for the full system. As far as the dimensions go, 8 1/4 inches long, 2 inches wide, 1 1/4 inches thick. When it comes to the handle length for the spoon and the spork, you're looking at 4 inches. When it comes to the handle length for the knife, you're looking at 3.5 inches. With the cutting edge here, it's roughly 2.5 inches long. Concerning the materials, you're looking at a high temp resistant, high strength nylon, FDA food safe plastic, BPA free plastic, PC free, and each of the components are also dishwasher safe. Concerning price, at the time of filming on Amazon, $15, and the gray version is $22. With all of that out of the way, let's go over my review for this product here. Right off the bat, I have to tell you all, this is a very well designed product. I like the way that everything nestles together, and I really appreciate the fact that once you have everything nestled together, it stays put. I mean, nothing comes out. And I appreciate that. That way, when you're hiking around, nothing's coming loose. When you have this open, you can knock it off your table. The spoon, the spork, the the toothpick, the knife, everything stays put. Next, I like the fact that you get everything that you need with this kit here, plus some. You have the spoon, the fork, the knife, and the toothpick, in addition to this great case. For hiking and backpacking purposes, this is likely all that you will need. If you're going out for a car camp, a truck camp, something like that, and you're going to be doing some serious cooking, this is a good supplemental kit. You can add in a few more components and you'll have all of your bases covered. The overall durability of this kit is very impressive. I've been running this for roughly 3 to 4 months, something like that, and the fact that the case is not broken, I'm impressed. There's some minor scratches, but that's it. Overall, the durability is excellent. The quality is also excellent. Everything here, very well made. There's no rough edges, nothing like that. Very high quality for the money. As far as the components go, they do exactly what you would expect them to do. The spoon, it does what it needs to do. The same for the fork and also the knife. I will say that when it comes to the bowl of the spoon, it's not very deep. With that being said, I doubt anyone's going to complain about the overall size of the bowls here. These items do exactly what you need to do. And I have to say, when it comes to the knife, it is impressively sharp. You can easily cut through a steak or anything like that, a pork chop. It's definitely sharp enough to do that. Talking about durability and strength, let's do a quick bend test. As you can see, very strong, very little bend, with realistic amounts of force. Each one of these components are plenty strong enough to do exactly what you need them to do. In regards to the bottle opener, this is not something that I've had the chance or the opportunity to use. The simple fact is, I haven't been in the situation where I've needed this, so I simply haven't been able to use it. I suspect that it's going to work fine. I see no reason why it wouldn't, but I have not used it. The next pro that I have for this kit is value. Without a doubt, this is a very high value kit. You get everything that you need. I guess you can argue that the toothpick is not essential, but it is nice to have it. With that being said, the spoon, the spork, the knife, the case, what you're getting here for $15, it makes a lot of sense. You very easily can go out and spend a whole lot more on a kit that's not as good as this. An additional pro is the fact that the storage size is so small, so compact, and also very lightweight. You can have this kit in your backpack for a day hike, out for a backpacking trip, and you're not going to notice that it's there. Not only size-wise, but concerning weight too. The only negative that I have for this kit here is the fact that if you happen to lose a component, you're not going to be able to replace it. You might be able to contact the company like I did. They may have an extra laying around that they can send you, but then again, maybe not. This is very unfortunate because losing a component like I've done, it's certainly possible. And no, the other spoons and sporks that this company offers, they are not compatible with this kit here, unfortunately. And with that being said, everyone, I am done. Ultimately, to summarize my thoughts on this product, this is an excellent kit with virtually no negatives. Just don't lose a component. If you don't do that, you'll be in good shape. For $15, it's lightweight, compact, high strength, high durability. It looks good, it's lightweight, and it's also inexpensive. A special thank you goes out to the viewer who sent this in. I really do appreciate it. It is so good that I went ahead and bought a second kit. Everyone, if you enjoyed this episode, please hit the thumbs up. That's a great way to support this channel. Until next time, take care, be well, strength and honor. Bye for now.